Welcome aviation fans. Today we're counting down the 20 most incredible planes ever created. From spy planes that outrun missiles to giants that carry space shuttles, this is the craziest aviation video you'll ever see. We'll break down what makes each aircraft legendary, with insane close-ups and mind-blowing facts. Guess in the comments which plane is the most expensive. Maybe you'll get a shout-out. Watch until the end. The last plane is a total game-changer you've probably never heard of. Let's get into it. Number 1 is the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft ever. Built in the 1970s, it could fly over Mach 3, outrunning missiles and flying at the edge of space. Its titanium skin was so advanced, the CIA had to secretly buy the metal from the Soviet Union. The SR-71 leaked fuel on the ground, sealing up only at high speeds due to heat expansion. With stealthy design and pilots in pressure suits, it was untouchable for over 30 years. The Blackbird remains one of the most mind-blowing feats of engineering ever. Meet the Airbus. A380, the largest passenger plane ever built. This double-decker can carry over 850 people, with some airlines offering private suites, showers, and bars. Its wingspan rivals a football field, and it's as tall as a 7-story building. Despite its size, it's quiet, smooth, and uses advanced materials to keep weight down. Landing it requires reinforced runways and serious skill. Though production has ended, the A380 remains a symbol of luxury and ambition in air travel. It truly changed the way we fly. The Boeing B-52. Stratofortress is a true icon, flying since 1952 and still in service. Pilots today fly the same planes their grandfathers did thanks to its rugged, timeless design. The B-52 can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons and fly nearly 9,000 miles without refueling. It's been America's airborne deterrent for decades, constantly upgraded to stay relevant. The Air Force plans to keep it flying into the 2050s, nearly a century of service. The B-52 proves that great engineering never goes out of style. It's a legend that endures. The Concorde was the world's only supersonic passenger jet, flying from London to New York in under 3.5 hours. It cruised at 60,000 feet and Mach 2, letting passengers see the curvature of the Earth. Its delta-wing design and afterburning engines were revolutionary, but tickets were pricey and sonic booms limited its routes. High costs and a tragic accident led to its retirement in 2003. For a brief moment, Concorde made the future of flight real. Fast and glamorous and unforgettable. It remains an icon of speed and innovation. Supersonic travel has never been the same. The Antonov An-2-125 Mriya was the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built. With a 290-foot wingspan and 6 engines, it was designed to carry the Soviet Buran space shuttle. After the space program ended, it became the ultimate cargo plane, hauling loads no other aircraft could touch. Its cargo hold could fit a whole Boeing 737 fuselage. Tragically, the only An-225 was destroyed in 2022, but its legend lives on. The Mriya was a true giant that pushed aviation to its limits, a once-in-a-lifetime sight. The Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit is the ultimate stealth bomber, virtually invisible to radar. Its flying wing design and radar-absorbent coating let it slip past defenses and deliver devastating payloads. Each B-2 costs over $2 billion, making it the most expensive aircraft ever. Flying it is a challenge, relying on advanced computers to stay stable. Missions can last over 40 hours, deep into enemy territory. The B-2 is a ghost-in-the-sky stealth technology at its peak. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is the king of air combat. With unmatched stealth, speed, and agility, it's achieved kill ratios of over 100. 1 in exercises. Super Cruise lets it fly supersonic without afterburners, and thrust vectoring gives it jaw-dropping maneuvers. Its sensors and radar make it nearly untouchable. Only the US Air Force flies it, as production was limited by cost and export bans. The F-22 guarantees air dominance, no contest. The Boeing 747, the queen of the skies, democratized air travel and became an icon. Its distinctive hump and massive size let airlines carry more passengers, lowering costs and opening the world. Boeing bet the company on it, and won, building over 1,500. The 747 has flown presidents, popes, and rock bands, and still hauls cargo worldwide. Its nose opens for oversized freight, and it's the base for Air Force One and NASA's shuttle carrier. Though retiring from passenger service, its legacy is unmatched. The 747 changed the world. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk is the world's most produced aircraft and the king of flight training. Over 44,000 built since 1956, it's stable, forgiving, and easy to fly. Perfect for students. Its high wing design offers great visibility and safety. Reliable and affordable, it's the Toyota Corolla of the skies. Used for training, travel, and adventure, it's launched countless aviation careers. The Skyhawk is the gateway to flight for generations. The Supermarine Spitfire is a symbol of British defiance and victory in World War II. Its elliptical wings gave it unmatched agility, making it a dogfight legend. The Spitfire's Merlin engine roared over the Battle of Britain, defending the skies. Over 20,000 were built, serving in every theater and evolving into many variants. Pilots loved its harmony of design and performance. The Spitfire is a warbird icon. Beautiful, deadly, and unforgettable. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is the ultimate military workhorse. It can land on dirt, gravel, or sand, delivering troops and supplies anywhere. The C-130's versatility is unmatched. Airlift, gunship, refueler, rescue, even firefighting. Its high wing, 4 turboprops, and rear ramp make loading easy. Serving since the Vietnam War, it's a hero in combat and disaster relief. The Hercules gets the toughest jobs done, every time. The Bell Boeing V-22. Osprey is a tilt-rotor marvel. Part helicopter, part airplane. Its rotors tilt to take off and land vertically, then fly fast like a plane. The Osprey can go twice as fast and 5 times farther than the helicopters it replaced. It's a game changer for the U.S. Marines and Air Force, enabling new kinds of missions. Complex to develop, but now indispensable. The V-22 redefined what an aircraft can do. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is undefeated in air-to-air combat. Over 100 victories, 0 losses. Designed purely for air superiority, it's a rocket ship with wings. Its power, radar, and agility made it the top dogfighter for decades. Still in production and upgraded, the F-15 remains a vital part of the Air Force. It's a missile truck and a legend, working alongside stealth jets. The F-15 is a timeless masterpiece of fighter design. The Sukhoi Su-57. Felon is Russia's first stealth fighter, packed with advanced tech. It's super maneuverable, with 3D thrust vectoring for wild, evasive moves. Internal weapons bays and special shaping reduce its radar signature. Unique sensors give the pilot a 360-degree view and infrared tracking, still rare, but it's the cutting edge of Russian aerospace. The Su-57 is a formidable new adversary. The Dassault Rafale is France's Omnirole fighter. Air defense, ground attack, recon, and nuclear deterrence in one. It can switch missions mid-flight, giving commanders huge flexibility. Operates from land or carriers, packed with advanced French tech and stealth features. Its Spectra system fuses radar, infrared, and electronic warfare for top situational awareness. Agile and export successful, the Rafale is a multi-tool of the skies, a true testament to French engineering. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner revolutionized passenger comfort with its carbon fiber fuselage. Lower cabin altitude and higher humidity mean less fatigue and dehydration. Huge, dimmable windows and a quieter cabin make flights more enjoyable. It's 20% more fuel efficient, saving airlines money and reducing emissions. The Dreamliner set a new standard for long-haul travel. It's a dream to fly in, literally. The Harrier jump jet can take off and land vertically, hover, and even fly backward. Its rotating nozzles direct engine thrust for V-stall magic. The Harrier operated from tiny carriers and forward bases, providing instant air support. Flying it was a challenge, but it changed the game in conflicts like the Falklands War. Now replaced by the F-35B, the Harrier remains a revolutionary icon. It proved jets could do the impossible. The North American P-51 Mustang was the long-range escort that broke the Luftwaffe. Its Merlin engine and huge fuel capacity let it protect bombers deep into enemy territory. Fast, agile, and heavily armed, it dominated dogfights and strafed ground targets. The Mustang turned the tide in Europe, paving the way for D-Day and victory. It's remembered as the war-winning fighter. The P-51 is a legend of World War II aviation. The Airbus Beluga looks bizarre, but its bulging fuselage is perfect for hauling oversized aircraft parts. Built to move wings and fuselages between Airbus factories, it's a flying cargo hauler. The nose hinges up for easy loading of massive components. The Beluga XL is even bigger, keeping Airbus production moving. It's weird, wonderful, and essential to modern aviation. Without the Beluga, Airbus couldn't build its planes. The Pilatus PC-12 is the Swiss Army knife of airplanes, luxury, performance, and ruggedness in one. Its single turboprop and tough landing gear let it operate from short, rough runways worldwide. Spacious and flexible, it's used for executive transport, medevac, and cargo. The PC-12 can be reconfigured for any mission, from luxury to bush flying. Trusted by organizations like the Royal Flying Doctor Service. It's the ultimate go-anywhere aircraft. That's it. 20 legendary planes that changed aviation forever. From the SR-71's speed to the PC-12's versatility, each pushed the limits of flight. Which one amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic aviation videos. Thanks for watching and supporting PulseFacts. See you in the next video.